Students, you have learned how to create different kinds of chart in Excel. Now we are going to learn some formatting of all the components of chart. One by one we will study all those things. So first we will create a chart. First select this chart and insert. From here, suppose I take this column chart, so I have inserted this column chart. So first topic is how to move, resize or delete chart in Excel. To move the chart, suppose this chart is inserted over here and you want to move it to some other place, then what we will do, you can see that here the mouse pointer has got converted into this four headed arrow. So when this get converted into this, then I will click on the chart and I will move to the place where I want to move. So this is how we can move. You can see here this four headed arrow will help you to move the chart to the place where you want to move. Then suppose if you want to resize the chart, if you want to make it big or small, then this is the place where we'll put the mouse pointer over here. Now you can see that the mouse pointer have got converted into double headed arrow. So you put the mouse pointer at any of the dots or any place and then we drag the mouse pointer like this. Similarly, if you want to make it small, then you will move it inwards, inside. So this is how we can make it small or we can make it big. If you want to make it big, can draw it outwards, and if you want to make it small, make it inwards. And similarly, to delete a chart, just click on the chart over here and then press on the delete button. So when we will press on the delete button, the chart will be deleted. Now we have to learn formatting of different components of chart. So we have brought this chart back. So first we will learn how to change the plot area background. You know that what is plot area. Here you can see when I put the mouse pointer over here, this you can see that you get the plot area. If you put the mouse pointer over here, you will get the chart area, and here if I put, you will get the plot area. So you click on the plot area, right click over there. When you will right click, here at the bottom you will see format plot area. So you click on this format plot area. So this window will appear. Here you have the several options which you can do formatting. Here you can see we have the fill option. Suppose if I choose from here this solid fill, or many other options are there, whatever you want you can choose. So I have selected solid fill. Then here you have color. You choose any particular color. If you have any choice, you can choose that color. Suppose I choose this one. Then here we have border. Suppose I choose border solid line, and from here we can change the color. Any color which you want, you can take that color. Then when you will, after doing this, when you will close this button, you can see that your chart have got changed. That whatever changes you have done, you can see in your chart over here. So this is how you can change the plot area background. Then the next one is inserting the chart title. If you want to insert a chart title, you click over here and then you have the option to put the chart title over here. So I will put a chart title. Suppose let it be marks or whatever you want, you can put over here. Then you want to format this chart title, whatever you have done. So what to format that, we will right click over here in the title, and then you can see here we have format chart title. Click on that. Now here we have the option. Again we have, if you want to provide any solid fill, gradient fill, we do that. Suppose I am taking gradient fill. You can see gradient fill, the changes over here, or solid fill. This also you can see pattern fill. You can see some patterns are here. Here some patterns are here. Whatever pattern you want, you can take. And if you want to provide any color, you choose any color. Suppose I choose this color. Then This is background color can be changed from here, of title obviously. So we have taken this. Then we have for text options, from here you can choose text options. Now what kind of text you want, gradient fill you want, that is not visible. If you want, we have to take solid fill, we can take solid fill. Then if you want for any pattern fill, then you can take the pattern fill from here. Then when you will many other options are there that you can see when you will do. Effects also you can provide. Suppose if you want to provide any effect to your title, here we have some effects. Any effect if we choose. Then color, we have to choose a color for the shadow which you have done. Here you can see slides shadow has been formed in the area of chart. Then we have this glow option is also there. Yeah, this glow option and soft edges option, it is not available in all the in Excel 2007. It is available in higher version of Excel. So if you are not having in your system, you don't worry for that. Then I close this. Okay, so we have done the formatting of chart title. Then we have formatting of axis. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and this is x-axis. So both the axis we will do the formatting. Suppose first we do this y-axis. This is vertical axis. So I will right click over here, and here we have the format axis. When you do this, here you can see we have a minimum, maximum, maximum number is there. Suppose you want your graph to start, or your chart to start from suppose 10 or any other digit, so we can do from here. Suppose you want to end it at 200, so all these changes we can do from here. When you click on reset button, you can see again we'll have to do here we have to make it 10. Here also axis is 10. Then reset. You can see that the values of x-axis have changed from 10 to 190 it was. We can make it 200 or whatever it is. Or suppose you want here also you can see that by how much difference each point is. Like here 20 is given, so it is 10, then 30, then 50, then 70, 90 and so on. If you want to change the difference, then from here we can change. Like suppose if you want to make it 25, then we can make it 25. Then click on reset. You can see now it has got changed to 0, 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150 and so on. So these are some of the changes which you can do. Then suppose you want to do formatting of this x-axis. Click on this x-axis, format x-axis. Again the same. So whatever part of whatever component of chart you want to format, we'll have to right click, you have to go there, right click over there, and then we get the option of formatting. Here we have this axis options are there. Suppose I want to change the colors. Whatever you want you can take from here, fill solid color or gradient fill. Then choose a color from here. This is not visible, so we'll have to take another color. Suppose let it be this one. Then you want to provide any effect, then choose the effect from here. Whatever effect you want you can choose from here. You can change provide a glow color, glow effect to that. Suppose I take this one, so this is glowing in colors. This is your creativity, how you want to change the look of your chart. Then we have formatting of data series. These are the data series. Format data series we have. Then if you want to change the color of the data series, you choose from here what color you want. Take the color from here. If you want to provide any effect, you can take from here. Any series option you want to change, you can do from here. You can see that when we are increasing or decreasing the gap width, how the your chart is getting changed. Here you can see that the bars are moving. So from here you can change your how the bars of your chart will appear. So this is how we can do some of the formatting of your chart components. All the components we have seen. So once again I repeat, whatever uh, whatever changes you want to change, that we have to click over there, we have to right click over there, and you have to go to format option, and from there we can change the all the components of chart.